मडगावच्या हॉस्पिसियो इमारतीचो कांय भाग मेडिकल सर्व्हिसीस खातीर दिवचो अशी मागणी थळाव्या लोकांनी पर्यावरण मंत्री अलेक्स सेक्वेरा हांचे कडेन केल्या. ह्या मागणे विशीं मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत हांचे कडेन उलोवप करतलो अशी माहिती मंत्री सेक्वेरा हांणी दिली.
One delegation that came to ask for handing over part of the old Hospicio hospital, the chapel part, and part of it to Caritas. But they wanted to open a medical center, so they've come with their proposal. I will convey it to the government. That is one. Number two, there were other issues like pertaining to forest department, pertaining to TCP, pertaining to regularization of houses. So these type of various issues did come up. In fact, I would say today the response was better than earlier. We had a lot of people who came today with individual cases.